Hey, what's up, boys? Aaron Alexander here, and this is the easiest way to make friends. Straight up. You want to have cool dudes that want to go out and party, that you want to be your wingmen, so you don't have to go out solo all the time. Whatever your situation is, you move to a new city, maybe you lost contact with your high school friends. I've been doing what I'm going to share with you in this video since 2015, and I talked to a lot of guys where they're like, yeah, man, not only do I really not have any chicks in my life, but also like I don't really even have dudes that I hang out with anymore. People moved away, this and that. It's a real problem. So this is the easiest way to meet cool dudes that want to go out. Now, this is going to be more in like a party context, kind of like dudes to wing with you for a night game, getting tables, partying, going to clubs, meeting new chicks. If that's not your scene at all, then this video might not be for you. So look, man, I mean, the one thing that dudes can bond over more than just about anything else, especially right up front, is getting laid. Provided that neither of you have girlfriends. But you're talking about getting laid, girls you've been with, this and that, whatever. So you're going to have to suck it up, and you're going to have to go out solo first. You got to go out and do some solo night game. Ideally, you're doing some approaches, having a good time. You're going to end up next to dudes. So you're ordering a drink, they're ordering a drink, you guys are both waiting on a drink, you're just chilling by the bar, whatever. And you just spark up conversation. What's up, bro? How's your night going? You got that social energy going, you got that social flow. What's up, man? How's your night going? Oh, it's good, dude. Yeah, I'm just out here, just having a good night. What about you? Oh, it's good, dude. I'm trying to pick up some chicks, man. This is the most organic method. I don't even want to call it a method. I don't even want to use that terminology. It's not a method. It's just the easiest way. Again, casual opener of just like, what's up, man? How's your night going? Oh, good, man. You out here trying to pick up chicks? Oh, dude, I mean, that would be nice. That would be sick. Bro, go talk to those ones over there. What are you doing? Oh, man, I don't know. You're going to have a great organic conversation about all of this. And then just, bro, if you want, dude, like give me your number. I'll hit you up, man. I go out like every weekend, like I said, just to kind of like try to, meet chicks, have a good time, whatever. Yeah, dude, take down my number. Let's fucking do it. Easy. It's very, very simple. It's very simple. I've done this in Miami. I've done this in Columbus. I've done this in Austin. All right. It is not that complicated. And again, it is like the one thing that, when you think about a cold approach or whatever, you kind of think about, okay, like, what am I going to talk about? What am I going to talk about? Talking about chicks is the easiest thing to talk to other dudes about. So do this. Use this method. Rewatch this video. Go out this weekend. Use this method. And then after you've, met different dudes doing this, you never know what could spiral from it. You guys meet two girls together. He starts hooking up with one of them. All of a sudden, he's throwing a little pool party. They're inviting all their friends. And you can build a robust social circle, but you got to leave the house. So there's more to cover here, but this is, on this subject. There's other ways, obviously. And I guess if you're not you don't want to go to clubs and bars and stuff, then maybe, this method's not for you. But incredibly easy. I'm telling you, like, you will be met with so much warm reception from other dudes who maybe they're not aware of game or anything like that, but they want to meet chicks. Every straight dude that's not in a relationship wants to meet chicks. So use this method and make new friends, bro. Make new friends. Have a good time. See you in the next vid.
Tell me the truth.